Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today I'm at the Community Estates at Lake Pickett. It's here in Orlando. It is a really beautiful community, it's unique, and there's only a few homes left. This home here is actually pending. The price was reduced from $552,450 to $549,990. It's 4-bed, 4.5 bath, 4,144 square feet. It's a Pulte home. There are no longer any lots available. They have all been sold, but there are still a couple homes left. It's private and gated, and if you want to have your own pool, there's plenty of room to do so in your backyard. This is a Richmond model built by Pulte. The listing price $759,990. It's 4,992 square feet, and it's a 5-bed, 5.5 bath. There is a playground for the kids and a community boat ramp with a dock for fishing. The first time I came to this community and viewed the Brookhaven model, I was in love. The listing price is $799,990. It's a 5-bed, 4-bath, and it's 3,990 square feet. Being that this was a previous model home, it comes with all the upgrades and it is on an oversight. If you think you might be interested, please give me a call. It is in closeout phase, so they won't last long. Bye-bye.